Which name? Can you do it? Actually, don't you like it? Wouldn't you? Haven't you? No, not yet. I let her know. Can I get you a drink? We thought you wasn't coming. And better than Bossy forgot. Is that your final answer? Is that your final answer? Natural, perpetual, virtual. Does it see it? Has it like it? Could it tell? Was it send a check? Was a family thing? Does it find the keys? We follow the instructions. Congratulations. And location. Individual. Graduation. Gradual. Restaurant. Insurance. Pleasure. Press the hand together. Kneel the rest yourself. You can pass the exam this year. And child, let's read. Let's read. And child, let's read. Let him get the car for you. Let him get the car for you. How's the family? How was the trip? Who's friend? Who's mom? Who's birthday? Who's birthday? She says you're okay. She says you're She says you're okay. She says you're okay. Who does your hair? Who does your hair? Casual. Visual. Usual. Vision. Version.